Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Holbein. I'm the Director of Resources and Data at VLink, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of our Hurricane Ida dashboard. So I'm here on the home page of the dashboard, and as you can see, there are 7 panels here that each one represent one of the pages on the dashboard. The first 3 include a range of FEMA data, then we have 211 data, census data, a page that looks at resource availability for the region, and finally a page where you can connect with different resource databases through your local 211 provider to get a range of assistance. And you can see that there's a Learn More button on each panel, and you can click on that to learn about the data source and click on different hyperlinks to explore more information about them. So I'm going to use the navigation tabs up here to jump to the different pages. I'm going to look first at the FEMA Individual Assistance page. So this page is laid out similarly to most of the other pages. We have a map here in the middle, and this variable drop down here shows what variable the map's looking at. So right now it's looking at total individual assistance. You can hover over the map to see the value for that county, and you can use this drop down to change to other variables. Say if you want to look at other needs assistance that was given out by parish, you can do that. And you can view the data number of ways using the filters here. So you can look at it by parish as it's currently set to, or you can look at it by zip code. You can look at it as totals for the parish, or you can look at it by per 1,000 residents. So you can get kind of a more apples to apples comparison. You can apply different filters, so you can look at data for just people who say earned more than or less than $15,000 per year. And then over here on the right side, we have a number of drop-down charts where you can see the frequency, say, of the income of applicants. You can see how many earned, say between $15,000 and $30,000, and look at data through a range of other drop-downs. And then you can use the other navigation tabs to jump to the other pages. And the flood and the public assistance pages are laid out in very similar ways, with the filters on the left tab, the charts and other information on the right tab, and the map in the center. Similarly for the 211 and census pages. The resource analysis page is laid out a little differently here. There's a drop down where you can select a range of FEMA information, and then you can look here on the right map that shows resource availability. So say that if you wanted to view all of the food pantries in the region and compare that with FEMA data to say identify gaps in resources, you could do that. And finally on the Get Help tab, this is where you can connect with different 211 resource databases for you or for someone you're trying to find assistance to. So you can hover over your parish and it'll show you what 211 provider serves your region. And then you can click to view their resource databases. So here I'm connecting to VLink's resource database, which has thousands of resources that you can search for. So that's a quick overview of the dashboard. I hope that you find them to be very useful to get a range of information about Hurricane Ida. Thanks very much.